To describe this home in 3 words, it would be modern, contemporary, and luxe.
The mode facade is a really simple contemporary facade. It features timber cladding, which we've stained in ebony to suit the black windows with a light and dark render colour. The two-tone render colour just keeps it nice and streamlined.
Mode facade is quite a contemporary facade, and we have carried out the same concept throughout into the house. I've used a lot of neutral tones as well as the black furniture to tie in well with the timber works in the house. And I've used a little bit of gold. If you look in the powder room, you will see that beautiful gold pendant, which ties in very well with the oval gold mirror. Just maintain a really clean line look, but at the same time homely and warm.
The Mayfair 43 is a well-sized, generous family home, really good for multi-generational living. It has lots of rooms so everyone can enjoy their own space or come together in the main living area. The first floor has the kids' retreat at the back of the home, which keeps it tucked away and more private so you don't get that mess as you come up to the top of the stairs. It has a really great master bedroom suite with a big bedroom, a light-filled ensuite with a bath and water closet, and also a really big walk-in robe. And downstairs is the 3 living areas, so the main living, kitchen, dining area with the outdoor living. It has a great kitchen layout with a large butler's pantry and wraparound corner benchtop, as well as an extra walk-in pantry space. And the island bench is really big that presents onto the open living and dining area.
The favorite part of this home is kitchen for me. It's very beautiful, it's very well designed, it's very practical and very striking. We were fortunate enough that when we were putting the concept together, a few brand new colors of scissor stone were introduced, and I've selected Imperial White, which ties in very well with the overall concept, and it certainly creates a wow factor in the kitchen. You can achieve this look by starting with very neutral tones, clean line furniture. The timber, probably black, would be the preferred color that tie in with this look. And then you can always introduce your own feature color. It doesn't have to be gold, which I have used in this one. It could be anything. And don't be afraid to throw around a little bit of your personality.